In this video, we're going to be going over tables and creating a schedule. So to create a table style, you'll want to be in the Annotate tab up here. All the way over to the right, you'll see this tables icon. We want to hit the drop-down menu and then this diagonal arrow. You want to click on that and you will get this pop-up dialog box. So to create a new table, we're just going to click New, and then it's going to want us to give it a name right away. So I'll just call it Schedule. And in here we get another pop-up box that we can change some of the settings in the table. So we're not going to change anything in this general box. So we're going to change some stuff about the text. So if you click on text, I have no idea what it is. And then we'll just want to change the cell style to title because we're going to change settings on the title first. So then under this text tab, we're going to change the text style to notes. Change the text color from by block to by layer. And the text height is already set for us. Next, we'll want to click on the Borders tab, and we will change by block to by layer for all of these. And to select our border, we want a border on all sides and in between all of the data, so we'll select this one all the way on the left. Things in the table header, so under the cell styles we're going to select header. And then we're going to change this text style, so you got to go back under the text tab. Change the text style to notes, and we want it to be, instead of by block, we want it by layer. And then we'll go to the Borders tab and make sure that those are all by layer as well. For the data, so just go under the cell styles in the drop down menu and hit data and make all those same changes. So go back to text and make that notes and by layer, and then back to borders, by layer for all. And if we want that to be our current style, we can set current and close the box. I will show you how to insert a table into your drawing. So under the Annotate tab, go back over to the Tables icon and click on Table. And you'll get this pop-up box where you can make some edits. You can change how many columns and rows that you have, and you can change the width and the height of those columns and rows and stuff like that. We'll just make this 3 columns and 10 rows. Okay, and the table that you are inserting will follow your cursor until you click it down, and that's where it will be placed. And then you can go in here and start making some edits and adding some text. Once you have your table placed into your drawing, if you click on the border of it, you can see all of these grips, and they all do different things. This one on the top will create or expand the width of your columns. This one down here will expand the height of your rows. individual row, not all of them at the same time. And this grip right here is a table break. And then you can type whatever you want. And to edit the table itself, you will just click once inside of there and you'll get this tab up on top where you can insert rows and columns and do a lot of different